Hello and welcome to Facades Through Time. Today we're going to be looking at some of the most prominent buildings in Toronto, Canada. Toronto has a lot of architectural diversity and there are a lot of unique and notable buildings in this city. In this episode, we're going to look at the Royal Ontario Museum, which is located at the University of Toronto's downtown campus. It is one of the largest museums in North America and the largest in Canada. By the way, I am a University of Toronto graduate and still live in this amazing city, and this project is very near and dear to me. The ROM was constructed in 1912, and at that time it cost $400,000 to build. And just to put things into context, that's about $11 million. All this is in Canadian dollars in 2024. The architectural style of this original building is actually a synthesis of Italianate and Neo-Romanesque architecture. There were two additions to the museum through time. The first expansion took place in 1933 and cost $1.8 million at the time. This is about $40 million in 2024. This expansion was very much in line architecturally with the original building, but also had some Art Deco and Byzantine features. The main materials used on the original building, as well as the 1933 expansion, were primarily brick and masonry. The most recent and last addition to the museum occurred in 2007, and during this expansion, a crystal structure was added to the north elevation of the museum. This addition, named as the Michael Leachin crystal after its donor, cost $270 million to construct and was designed by prominent Polish-American architect Daniel Libeskind. So the main components of the crystal include a steel framework, anodized aluminum cladding, and architectural glass. The project was headed by Italian expert and leader in the space, Permastilisa Group. The photos that are being shown here were taken in January 2024. And as you can see from the photos, besides a little bit of streaking on the anodized aluminum cladding, there are no issues whatsoever with how the facade is currently looking. The historic brick and masonry is also looking good, but as with any historic building, there's likely to have been a series of maintenance and restoration events that have contributed to this longevity. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode of Facades Through Time on Sparcon.